So I'm out here doing some maintenance on our L175 skid loader, as you can see. And one of the things that it mentions in here is to check the drive chain oil, okay? Right, what does it say? Make sure you grease the axles every 1,000 hours or so. Anyway, it tells you in here that you need to check the drive chain oil, and it should be about to the bottom of the plug, which is located right here on the side of the skid loader. So the wheel shouldn't be in the way, but if it is, then pop it off. So we'll just go over there and check it on the other side. It's got a 3/8 sized cutout in it. So you're just going to take your 3/8, make sure it's in reverse. That's the wrong way. Okay, that's correct. I'm going to stick it in, and then just pound that till it comes loose. And there could be a little bit of oil that could fall out, so be prepared for that. So, touching my finger in there, that one's perfect. Right at the level of the bottom of the hole. It's kind of interesting though. The reason why I said is because when I took that off, I felt a little like exhale of air come out of there. So it must have been at a slightly different pressure than the pressure here inside the shop. So as long as there's still oil up to that line, it's fine. That is just to lubricate the chain. And you just want to make sure. The other side, actually, a little bit of oil dumped out. So it is good to know that there's plenty of oil in this. And thread it in as far as you can by hand before you use any sort of impact on it. About there is how tight it was. Don't over tighten it unless you really hate the guy who's going to check it next. And that should be about all for checking that. I'm going to find in the instructions where it tells you about it so I can just read you what it says. That'll take me a minute here. There's a lot of info in this book. So finally found where it's at. Every 500 hours, it says here, check the chain tank oil. And they want 10W30 engine oil in there. You should check it every 500 hours of operation, about somewhere in there. You can see that's the plug that we just opened up on the side of the skid loader there. You want to clean up the area around it, which I did. Use a shop vac, cleaned up all the dirt. Then you remove the drain plug from each compartment because they're separate, one on each side. And the oil should just be to the bottom of the inspection orifice. Add oil if necessary. And again, if you do add oil, it's 10W30, and I'm guessing you just add it straight into that hole because it hasn't said anything different here. So anyway, that's how you check the drivetrain oil. And it's important to maintain your skid loader well so that you're not spending a lot of money later. So anyway, I'm going to get back to work here. I got a couple more things to check before my maintenance day is over.